Hi guys, so this is my Ork Kommandoes, and this is the first kill team that I painted up. Obviously I love orcs, which is why I kind of went for them first, and this is the first sort of miniatures that I actually painted with a slap chop painting technique. So yeah, these are quite sort of special, but obviously I only played these the once. I love kill team, but I do prefer the smaller teams, as in sort of like 6 operatives. These guys are fun, but say there's 9 of them, and each one of them has a different sort of ability, so it's quite a lot to remember, especially when you've got a pants memory like mine. So that's why I prefer the sort of 6 sort of kill team operatives, and that's why I'm going to be selling these guys, as well as the little diorama sort of box that I keep them in. So these have basically been sitting on a shelf, but unfortunately I've now run out of room on that shelf, so yeah, it seems a good enough time to sell these bad boys, even though these are, well, I love orcs, and say these are the first ones I ever painted, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how they've all come out. But it does seem rather a shame that these guys are, well, say they're on a shelf at the moment, but these will end up in a cupboard or a drawer. So yeah, so I'd much rather someone else got the use out of these and, well, and got to play them. So yeah guys, I'm going to be selling some of the bits and pieces that I have been painting over the past sort of few years, as well as obviously getting new stuff that I'll be painting, and possibly painting stuff to order. So I've got an eBay account, there's a link down below guys, give that a click. You better see these guys here, as well as anything else that I've sort of currently posted up for sale really. As mentioned, these guys will come in this little sort of boxed sort of diorama, well, little travel thingy. Yeah, so they'll come in this. But say what I am looking at doing is, especially now I've got the lovely sort of laser engraver cutter thingy, I can now make these little boxes up really easy. Doesn't take too long at all, and glue them together. So yeah, so guys, if you've got any ideas for other sort of kill teams that you'd like to sort of see in this kind of sort of box diorama, yeah, by all means let me know. I'll give it a go and see what I can come up with. And as I say, I will be making these to order as well soon, so you can sort of buy just the box to put your kill teams in, which could be quite a good little idea. But if you'd like to own my very first kill team, and as I say, these lovely orcs in this little box, then yeah, click the link below, go to eBay, and well, see what the current bid's standing at. Okay guys, so yeah, if you're interested in how I've done obviously the filming with the smoke, it's this little bad boy. So this is from Kostronica. Again, there'll be a link in the description to this, and yeah, it bellows out a ton of smoke, which obviously makes for some cool effects for doing photography, or if you're doing sort of like D&D or any kind of gaming, and you want to add a bit of smoke effects, then yeah, this is the bad boy you need. Yeah, link in the description, and it's great because obviously the stuff comes out, it sits around for quite a while, so it gives you plenty of time to do some filming or the photography, and yeah, just makes for some awesome effects. Okay guys, this was just a short little video just to sort of say you can now buy some of the miniatures that I have been painting, and yeah, any sort of commission work, even though I'm not the best of painters, or you'd like to buy these little dioramas, then yeah, my email is down below, click on that and send me an email. Big thank you to all my patrons and Chaos Cards. See you in the next one. Bye for now.